When we're out in the bush, listening is a skill to our job, because you cannot patrol without listening. Because when we're patrolling, maybe we're doing a fence patrol. When we're patrolling the fence each and every day, and then we sometimes wait to listen for any sound that we may hear, because maybe there are lions nearby where you are walking. So you have to listen for any types of sound warning you that where you are going, where you are heading, it might be a problem. Mostly we like to listen to sound of animals warning us, because isn't it we are unarmed, so we listen for that sound. Maybe it's small birds warning us that there is buffaloes that side, so we have to know that we must change the road that we must patrol and then go to another way to patrol. Sometimes you can hear monkeys fighting each other. It's where they are warning you that there is a big five animal where you are heading. So it helps us in many ways.
So there are different animals in the bush that can alarm you to danger. The baboons, there is a sound that they make that they are warning you that there is danger where you are going. So most of the time I have seen mambas ignoring that sound because they thought it's just baboons talking to each other, or they're seeing something sort of, but at the end you find that there were lions nearby. It happens with the mambas in the fence line. The baboons warned them, and they were still questioning what were the baboons warning them about, and that's when they hear a lion roar. There's also a bird that I know, it also warns you when there is a predator where you are going. So it's very much important to listen to sounds of animals and observe the area when you hear that some animals are giving you a warning, because you might not know what is in the front of you. It can also warn you about poachers, because I believe that animal can warn you about anything that they see. It depends to you if you understand the warning that you are getting from animals.
You have to use your ears, you have to use your trainings in the bush so that you cannot get into trouble or be harmed by animals. So at night, you also listen to any gunshots during the night, or any barking of dogs, because some of the poachers like to get inside the reserve with dogs. So we listen to any gunshot or any suspicious sound that we may find suspicious. Always listen out for danger. Make your time count. Take the watch.
Look out for my films on how to be a virtual ranger.